All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use private label rights articles and ebooks to make YouTube videos to sell affiliate products that can generate you upwards of $100 to $500 to $1,000 a day. My name is Eric. I'm a part of Wealth Attitude, and at Wealth Attitude, we get you in an attitude to make wealth. So we're going to jump right into it right now. Before we do that, if you like content on how to make money online and how to get out of the rat race and that kind of things, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I come out with content almost daily. If you need it a little bit more, maybe you like to talk with other people of like-minded people, then join the Facebook mastermind group that I have established here for the Wealth Attitude brand. It's Make Money Online by Wealth Attitude. In there we discuss different ways to make money online and general shenanigans that go place. All right, so let's get into this. PLR. What is PLR? Private label rights. What that basically means is people write articles, they write different content and allow anybody to use it. They just, here you go, here's free stuff. A lot of times people do this because they want to create a website around it where you can download free content for a membership, or they'll allow so much free content and then you got to pay for like premium access if you want like newer content or any of that kind of stuff. But for what we're doing and what we're going for, we don't need any of that, right? We're just creating videos that are going to have general knowledge-esque, beginner-esque type content for YouTube, right? So I did a search here for PLR, and I found a couple websites that will work pretty well. Now, mind you, I am not affiliated with these websites at all. You're not going to see any links down below. I'm not trying to sell you on anything right here. So PLR Assassin is one of these where you can sign up for free. They're going to give you access to ebooks, graphics, videos, music, articles. All of this is really great. Like, those first 5 right there are home runs. Like, you need music for videos, so you can use the YouTube library. You also have some extra. Sometimes, you might want to just use a video that they already have with an article, right? But in this particular case, we're going to use a software called Content Samurai, and it's going to make all the content for us. We're just supplying the software with an article, right? So in normal methods, what I've been promoting is you find an article online in a particular niche with a keyword. So let's say your niche is weight loss, right? So you do a search on weight loss and you come up with like, say, 10 different articles on weight loss. And then you go through those articles, you rewrite the articles, and then you put them in the Content Samurai. This actually eliminates the need to do that altogether, right? These articles are already written for you. You don't have to do any of the work, and you're allowed to use them. It's free. They have the complete licensing, and you're 100% free to use. Now, mind you, some of this PLR content does have different licensing restrictions or whatever, so just be cognitive of that. So sometimes you have to put a small little by so-and-so in a footnote somewhere. So, but for the most part, as far as I know, with these two, you're free and clear. So the second one that I came out with was PLR.com. Yes, it was PLR twice. And what I did was I went down and there's all of this different niches that you can go into. In fact, one of the ones that I really liked that I seen was Disneyland, by the way. It's a really cool niche content on that. And now you can get articles for it. That would be really cool. But I went down and I got one from weight loss. Here's some popular search terms that you can do. So, spiritual soccer prediction. Hey, tons and tons of really good content here. So basically this article right here was just under 500 words. What I suggest is you go ahead and cut and paste this whole thing into Content Samurai, and I've actually already did this, and I've got a video right here. And I haven't did anything with this video. It's just a regular video. I picked a template, and I usually pick this, like one of these viral ones right here. And then I inserted the script, inserted it right in here, right? It's going to come up with scenes for you. It's going to come up with videos and imagery and whatever for you. So you don't have to do anything with that. And then you can just download you got to do voice. So you can either do music only, you can have the auto-tune voice, you can record your own track, or you can upload a track. Now, I highly suggest that you don't do the auto voice, right? Because YouTube is not going to monetize an entire channel that is all auto voice, right? So maybe use it sparingly, but YouTube is really cutting down on those robotic voices. So if you're not happy with the way that your voice sounds or you're shy, maybe you get somebody else to do the voice and maybe you do the videos, right? So you pair up with somebody, or you create videos for them and they do the voiceovers for both the channels. So they have a channel, you have a channel. That way you don't have to mix any of the monetary side of things. Hey, you stick to doing the voiceovers and I'll stick to making videos, and your money is your money and my money is my money. That's the way I would do it, so that way nobody gets screwed in the whole entire thing. But that way you can create some really, really good content. And this is 100% free. It doesn't cost you any money. As you can see, there's a ton of categories, right? So you don't, in the previous videos, I was talking about like dad jokes, random facts, because that stuff is not copyrighted and you can find that anywhere. Well, now you can go after those specific money niches like make money online and weight loss, and you can come up with free content already done for you and plug them into Content Samurai and have videos popped out by video after video after video. And I mean, there is no short supply of this content. Now, I just picked one article from this particular directory, but there was just endless amounts of articles. So you can go into older posts and you can find older stuff or whatever. And by the way, there are literally hundreds of PLR articles, sites, ebooks. You could take an ebook and each chapter could be a video, right? Use your nugget, right? Use your head. If you have 10 ebooks and each one has 20 chapters in it, each book is going to have 20 videos for you times 10. So you're going to have 200 videos off of just ebooks alone, right? At the bottom of each one of those, you're going to have your affiliate link to your product, right? Whatever product that you choose. But with 200 videos, you're going to make some affiliate links, or you're going to make some affiliate sales guaranteed. Now, the reason why this is so powerful is the content is already done for you by Content Samurai. All you got to do is create the thumbnails and do the tags, the titles, the description, and that kind of stuff. The actual YouTube stuff you got to do. The content creation is already done for you, and that's kind of in a really good position where you want to be. So this is literally all done for you 100%. If you like this, make sure that you give this video a like, guys. See you in the next video.